the point of all this. I don't know, Miss Tina, to read stuff we probably won't use. Like, when am I ever going to need to know about the Pythagoras theorem in the video games? That's a great question, Barry. And you are right. You might not use the Pythagoras theorem directly, but school isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about something much bigger. Think of the world outside the window. It's full of people with all kinds of jobs. Engineers who build bridges, doctors who heal people, artists who create beauty, scientists who find cures, and every single one of them had to start somewhere. They had to learn how to solve problems, how to work with others, how to think creatively. That's what school is for. It's for your own toolbox. Every lesson, even the ones you think you are boring, puts a new tool in your toolbox. Math teaches us logic and how to solve problems. But my dad always says he didn't use half the stuff he learned in school. He runs his own business and he just learned on the job. That's true for some people, Barry. And your dad is very successful. But even he learned skills in school that he uses every day. Think about it. Can he read a contract? Does he know how to calculate his profits? Does he know how to talk to his customers and persuade them? Those all are skills to be studied, developing right here in the classroom. And it's just about jobs. It's about freedom. The more you read, the more options you have in life. If you can read and write well, you can fill out an aggregation. You can understand contact. You can vote with confidence. If you understand how the world works, no one can easily trick you or take advantage of you. School gives you the power to choose your own path. It doesn't tell you what to think. It teaches you how to think. It helps you find out what is the best for you. Maybe it's not for history or math. Maybe you'll be an amazing artist or a brilliant programmer. I know, some days it feels like a chore, like you are just marking time until the bell rings. But I promise, every hour you spend here is an investment in yourself. It's an investment. It's an investment. I know, some days feels like a chore. So, like you are just marking time until the bell rings. But I promise, every hour you spend here is an investment in yourself. It's an investment in your future, in your freedom, and in your ability to make the world a better place in whatever you choose. So, it's just about the grades, not at all, Barry. It's about the tools you put in your box. The grades, you just show me you are gathering good at using them. Yeah,